Hi everyone, and welcome to the penultimate video of our Excel shortcut series. In the previous video, we looked at grid operation shortcuts. Today, we'll be looking at formatting shortcuts, which will help make our spreadsheets look more presentable. As always, I encourage you to open the Excel file we'll be using, which is linked in the description below. Once you've done that, do your best to follow along with me so you get accustomed to using the shortcuts. If anything is unclear, then please comment down below. When you open the file, you'll find this budget here, which consists of income and expenses for a given year. However, it currently doesn't look very presentable. There is no use of colours, the numbers are not formatted in currency formats, the cell widths are not adjusted, and so on. So let's have a look at how we can make this sheet look more visually appealing. Firstly, we'll add some colour to the first two rows to differentiate the title and months from the rest of the cells. To do this, select these rows and then click Alt-H-J to change the cell style, and we'll select this style here. Next, let's adjust the column widths to ensure that all the values in column B are fully visible. There are two ways we can do this. One way is to select the column and then click Alt-OCA to adjust the column width automatically. As you can see, all values are now fully visible. The other way is to click Alt-OCW, which allows us to manually change the cell width like this. Next, let's consider indents. The tax and national insurance are deducted from the pre-tax salary to give the after-tax salary. To make this clearer, we can select these two cells and add an indent by clicking Alt-H6. We also want to change the format of the numbers in the budget. To do this, we're going to select all of them and then click Ctrl-Shift-4 to apply the currency format. For reference, Ctrl-Shift-5 applies a percentage format and Ctrl-Shift-1 applies a simple number format. However, we'll continue with the currency format. We now also want to align all of these cells to the right. To do this, click Alt-H-AR. Next, let's add some borders to accentuate the calculations. Firstly, we'll select the cells we want to apply borders to. Next, we'll click Alt-HBO to apply bottom borders. There we go, our spreadsheet is already looking much better. Finally, to make our sheet look even more professional and less like a spreadsheet, we can remove grid lines. To do this, select any cell and then click Alt-WVG. So those are some of the most useful formatting shortcuts in Excel. In the next video, I'll conclude this series by explaining how to make the shortcuts covered a habit. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.